The upcoming Google Pixel Watch 2 evidence raises design questions. The debate on whether the Pixel Watch is one of the best smartwatches around is still ongoing. Google's first Pixel-branded accessory certainly has all the makings of an awesome smartwatch, but different and seemingly random setbacks have been holding it back. Some features work, others don't, and users have been reporting such a different set of issues that it's difficult to narrow it down to a single problem. So it may be a good thing that Google's coming up with a Pixel Watch 2, which rumors suggest is going to launch alongside the Pixel 8 line of flagship phones later this year. Google's first-gen Pixel Watch definitely has room for improvement, but it still ranks highly in our list of the best Android smartwatches. Since the wearable's launch, Google has been working to enhance the experience by adding new features through software updates. Most recently, the June 2023 feature drop finally enabled SpO2 measurements for blood oxygen analysis. Rumors have suggested the Pixel Watch 2 could deliver some decent hardware upgrades, but what about its design? If you were hoping for some major changes there, the latest Pixel Watch 2 evidence to surface may prove to be just a bit of a disappointment. Looking at the newly released 14.24 beta of the Google app for Android, 9to5 Google found several references that seem to be for the Pixel Watch 2. Some new code names appear, suggesting the Pixel Watch 2 is being developed internally as EOS and Aurora, which may represent the Wi-Fi and cellular-connected versions of the hardware. Those names are also tied to some animations and graphical resources in the app related to setting up Google Assistant and Voice Match. What's interesting here is that these seem assets to be the same as those used with the original Pixel Watch, suggesting that Google's second smartwatch might not differ from the first model in the design department in a big way. At least that's one interpretation, and 9to5 Google concedes that this media could easily just be placeholders. Alternatively, this may suggest that Google largely intends to stick with the same design, and changes, if any, could be minor. That actually might not be bad, especially since the Pixel Watch is among the most premium-looking Android watches. Compared to Samsung's Galaxy Watch lineup and the TicWatch series, the Pixel Watch is a lot more compact, making it look slightly out of place on larger wrists. That at least leaves Google room if it were interested in increasing the body size and maybe even finding room to fit a bigger battery. Coupled with the rumored presence of a Snapdragon 5 Plus Gen 1 chip and the efficiency benefits that would spell, we might even see endurance stretch out into a couple days between charges. For now though, this is mostly wishful thinking. But will all of this serve to improve the watch's features? And if it does, can users expect those improvements to impact the first Pixel Watch 2? It's simple. Really, we don't know. And until Google gives us some official info, we'll have to sit tight and wait. So what you guys thinking about the upcoming Pixel Watch 2 design language? Is it ought to have the similar design as per the current Gen smartwatch? Let us know it down below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.